The MLA of Mawsynram constituency, Hima Shangpliang, while speaking to media persons on the 2nd of July 2021, had expressed his desire for the Mawsynram C&Rd block to be upgraded into a civil subdivision. Hima Shangpliang informed that the demand for Mawsynram C&Rd block to be upgraded into a civil subdivision is not anything new. In fact, he added, this has been a long-standing demand of the people of the block, and the issue had been raised several times by former MLA MESTONAT KHARCHANDY during his tenure as MLA of the area. It may be recalled that Mawsynram block had been created in 1962 and till date there has been no upgradation of the same into a subdivision despite demands and requests placed before several governments that have come and gone. Shangpliang therefore urged upon the CONRAD SANGMA-led government to reconsider the demand of the people of Mawsynram and at the same time requested the present Chief Minister to announce the upgradation on the very same day that MAIRANG would be declared a district.
Kajing dawa ban bu subdivision ha Mawsynram kam day nadu mentah. Nadu ki por ngakan mau dang long MLA wa MESTONAT KHARCHANDY. Nadu gitu kipor kaladon kajing dawa badai ban ai subdivision no. Ndrei hadu mentah kazang sakut kumcu. Hadin jong ubah MESTONAT KHARCHANDY kaladon ki MLA ki babut hadin kumcu ro. Kilabu kajing dawa. Kiro kilabu kajing dawa badai ban ai subdivision. Ndrei ka sarkar haki por kampat kam sngap mentah biang hakani ka sarkar. Ak jinglong MLA jonga nadu gasngi nengkong bangarum po assembly ngajut ngatang yai dawa hadu mentang ngatang yai dawa ya takaju hi pangaom ba ka Mawsynram kadon kam banyo no civil subdivision ka blok kabadon po Mawsynram kadai ka blok kabarimtang nadu kharkhandai spa ngrupo ar ya kani ka blok laseng. Tepila ban mudur ban nadu untuk por hadu ni khidmat. Lapalat san postnem kene ke blok kala yeng hamne bat kala ai ya kejing syakri ya ki pajba ki basong hapo ke blok Mawsynram. Ni don kam ban yo ban upgradation no. Ban penkiu kerdan no ya kene ke blok syaka civil subdivision. Te namar kata kadau na shimi ini ila ini kabu. Ban kerpat ya ka sarkar bat ban kerpat yu chief minister bahaka por ba upun bena ya ka MAIRANG kum ha district un perkhatlem ya kinong songsinong jong ka Mawsynram constituency ban ai ya kata ka subdivision ka baki kila angnot beros kata